Welcome to the exciting session on Java series. I am Ganesh Kumar, Assistant Professor at PG Department of Computer Science, Sadakutula Upper College, Tirunelveli. Today we are going to explore the core component that makes a Java platform independent, Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Let's start with the Java Virtual Machine. The JVM is an abstract engine that runs Java applications by executing Java bytecodes. It is what allows Java to live up to its mantra called write once, run anywhere. With a JVM installed, your Java program can run on any platform from desktop to servers. The JVM is responsible for three key tasks: loading, verifying, and executing bytecodes. It managing the memory through garbage collection and provide platform independence by abstracting the underlying operating system. When you run a Java program, the JVM first loads the compiled bytecode, verifies its integrity, and executes it securely. Next, we have the Java Runtime Environment, that is JRE. The JRE is a software package that includes JVM along with essential libraries and components required to run Java. It's perfect for users who just want to run Java programs without diving into development. The core components of JRE: JVM, core libraries, Java plugins. The core libraries handles common programming tasks like input, output, networking, and math, while Java plugins extends capability for certain applications, though browser-based Java is largely obsolete today. For developers, the Java Development Kit or JDK is an essential tool. It includes the JRE and adds everything you need to create, compile, and debug Java applications. The JDK's main components include the compiler, which translates your Java source code into bytecode, the debugger, which helps to identify and fix errors, and utilities like jar for packaging applications, and Java doc for generating documents. Components of JDK: JRE, compiler, debugger, and development tools. To summarize, the JVM is an engine that executes Java programs. The JRE provides the runtime environment, including the JVM and core libraries to run applications. Finally, the JDK, it is the complete toolkit for developers, contains both JRE and additional tools for creating Java applications. With the JVM, JRE, and JDK, Java remains one of the most versatile and powerful programming platforms. Start exploring these components to unlock the full potential of Java. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand how Java Virtual Machine makes the Java programming platform independent and more efficient. Stay tuned for more videos on Java series. Keep coding. Thank you.